In this video, I am discussing fifth standard mathematics, unit 9, three-dimensional figures, exercise 9.1. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. We observe many three-dimensional objects around us. Some of them are given below. This is treasury. This is look like cuboid. This is cuboid. This is drum looking like three-dimensional figure cylinder. This is cube box looking like cube. This is looking like cone. These objects resemble three-dimensional geometrical shapes. They are rectangular, cube or cuboid, cylinder, cube and cone. You have already learned about the properties of these figures in your previous classes. Previous class means in fourth class, third class. Study the following table. See, name of 3D figure, name cube figure, this number of faces, properties, number of edges, number of vertices. First one, cube figure looking like this. How to draw cube? See, first draw a square. Just extend vertices like this. Join all them like this. This is cube. Cube figure is this. Number of faces, that is this part. Faces, face. Number of faces, 6. Number of edges, two faces meet. That part is called edge. That means this edge. This is edge. This one is edge. Edge. There are 12 edges here. Cube has 12 edges. And number of vertices. 3 edges meet at a point are called vertices. That means this part is vertices. Vertices. There are 8 vertices in cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Behind 8 one. There are 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces in cube. Next, cuboid. This is cuboid. Cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 circle shape faces and 1 curved surface. This is curved surface. This is curved surface, 2 circle shape circular bases. And cone has two faces. One is curved surface, another one is circular base or circular face. And one vertices. This is vertex. One vertices is there in a cone. Some students drew the figure of the same object, cuboid. Here are few figures drawn. This is cuboid, same cuboid looking this type, this. Though students drew the figure of the same object, each figure differ from the other. This is because each one of them have seen the object from different directions. They are seeing the same cuboid in different direction. That's why they are looking different. Observe the figure of some objects with a different geometrical shape. This is cuboid. This is cube, cylinder, cone. In all these figures, we cannot see all faces and edges at a time. We denote edge by straight line, and we cannot see the edge. We denote it by dotted line. See here. This is dotted line. We cannot see them. Straight lines or dark lines, we can see them. Here, cylinder, this is dotted line. Cone, this is dotted line. This is straight line or dark line. Dotted line in cuboid, we cannot see them. That's why they are dotted lines. When we see an object or a cubical figure, means a three-dimensional figure, from different direction it appears different. For example, when we see the bus from different sides, we have the following figures. This is front view, bus seeing in front. This is front view. This is side view. This is plan or top view. Front view or elevation means when we see the object from front. Side view, when we see the object from left or right, side by side. Plan means when we see the object from the top, that we call as plan. Name of the shape, figure of 3D in 2D, elevation, side view, plan. Sorry. Cube, elevation, front view, cube, inside view, cube in front view, looking square. This is looking like square inside view. If we saw cube in left or right side, that look like square. Square inside view and plan. If you look cube in on the top, it look like square. In all three cases, they looking like square. This figure is cube. Cubes, elevation view, side view, plan. Front view or front view, side view, plan. Cuboid, this is cuboid. In cuboid, elevation or front view looking like rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. This is also rectangle. This is also rectangle. In all three views, cuboid looking like rectangle. Cylinder in a front view or elevation looking like rectangle, rectangle. Side view, if we saw left or right, it is looking like rectangle. On the top view or a plan, cylinder look like circle. Cone, front view, cone looking like, this is cone shape, cone looking like triangle. Side view also looking like triangle. On the top view, cone looking like circle. Okay. Now this, before constructing house or any building, engineer draw the plan, elevation and side view of the top, side view of that house or building. This picture will give us information about the area of the building, height, structure, number of rooms, number of doors and windows, etc. See, front view, side view, top view. Some more examples are given below. See them. Now exercise 9 point, exercise 9.1. First one, answer orally. A. What is the shape of the faces of a cube? Just a square. Faces of cube looking like square. How many circular faces are there in a cylinder? There are two circular faces and one curved face in cylinder. They are asking orally, right? 2. C. Mention the number of plane surfaces and curved surfaces in a cone. There are one and one. One plane surface is equal to one curved surface is equal to 1. This is curved surface. This is plane surface. This is vertices. They don't ask vertices. Second one, observe the following table against each shape of the solid. The solid means three-dimensional figure. Some pictures are given. Put a right mark against the figure which is an example of that shape and put wrong mark against the figure which is not an example of that shape. Cube, this is not a cube because here square is not there. This is not a cube. This is also not a cube. Only three are there. Only three square are there. If fourth one is there, then that become cube. This is cube. This is also a cube. Cylinder, this one. In the cylinder, both circular shapes are of the same size. Here, one is bigger, one is small. That's why it is not a cylinder. This is also not a cylinder because circular shape is not there in the uh, below end or bottom end. This is cylinder. Next, cone. First one, this is a I S. Cone shape is right. This is not. In all other cases, not a cone shape. Cuboid. Cuboid. This is not a cuboid. This is cuboid. This is here. Triangle is there. This is not a cuboid. This is cuboid. Next, third one. A robot is constructed using a different solid shapes. Identify the shape and write the number of times it is used. Okay. First one, cube, cube. First one, cube, number of times. How many times cube appear? One. One time. One time appear cube. Next, cuboid. Cuboid. This is cuboid. This one also cuboid. Two time. Two time cuboid. Next, cylinder. Cylinder. One, two, three. There are three times cylinder appear. Three times. Next, cone. Cone appears. How many times? One, two, one, two, only two times. Okay. Fourth one, different views of a table are given below. Name of them. This is side view, side view, side view, front view. If you look table on front, it look like this type. Front view. This is top view. Top view or plan. Fifth one, Draw diagrams of a cube, cylinder, and cone with the different measurements in 2D. Okay, try this. Draw diagrams of your school showing elevation, front view means elevation means front view, side view, and plan. Okay, try this. Third one, draw a diagram of different objects in your house to show side view, and plan. I am giving some examples. You can try this. Matchbox, matchbox, ball, ball. Next, ball, ice cream, cone ice cream, cone ice cream, etc. etc. Your choice. Draw these to construct a solid figures from network. This completes uh, this completes your exercise 9.1. This is extra. See, to construct solid figures from networks, to take a box and draw a colored line on its edge and cut them. When you open it, you get a plain figures like this is cube, this is network of cube. This plane figure is called net of the cube. Net of the cube. This net, when folded on its edges, forms a cube. Okay. See, this is network of cube figure, cube. This is network of cylinder, cylinder. This is network of cuboid. Here, cuboid. This is network of cone, cone.